Question 12. Melissa collected teacups and saucers. She matched the cups and saucers and found she had 7 fewer saucers. There were 12 saucers. How many teacups did she have? In this question, we are comparing the number of teacups and saucers. The first thing I need to do is find out which is the larger quantity. I'm going to look for the words that compare fewer or more. Here's fewer. I'll read this sentence to work out which one was the larger quantity. She matched the cups and saucers and she found she had 7 fewer saucers. If she had fewer saucers, then this means that she had more cups. So I'm going to put the cups in this bar, the saucers in this bar, and then there'll be the difference. Melissa collected teacups and saucers. She matched the cups and saucers and found she had 7 fewer saucers. So 7 fewer is the difference. So the bars will be different by 7 centimetres. That will be the smaller bar, and they will be different by 7. Sometimes we put a little bracket there if we don't have the dotted lines. There were 12 saucers, so my known is the size of this bar. Melissa has 12 saucers. How many is our unknown? Teacups did she have? We are trying to find the number of cups. I'm going to use this plan of the smaller quantity because I know that add the difference will give me the unknown of my larger quantity. So the smaller quantity of 12 saucers add the difference of 7 will give me the larger unknown quantity of cups. 12 add 7 equals 19. There are 19 cups. I'll check this by putting it into my diagram, into the bar. 12 add 7 equals 19. So my maths looks correct. Then I need to finally check my question. How many teacups did she have? She had 19 teacups.